Hi friends, fitness and wellness products. These are high selling items on the internet nowadays. And if you are willing to create a wonderful website, e-commerce website for selling fitness and wellness product and related products, this video is exactly for you. In this video, I have a great website, theme option through which we can create a stunning, full-flagged and a well organized e-commerce website for selling fitness product. And you have already watched this screen. These are some pre-made websites that we can target in this video, and it is being made through the Avvin WordPress theme, and it is a theme for nutrition and fitness and health products basically. So it is most powerful and best idea for all healthy store website, and you have multiple options, demo 1 2 3, and it is a fully responsive WordPress theme, and it supports WPBakery, WP multi-language and MailChimp and all such things that you need for a full-flagged website. Okay, so and it has best CSS as well. So Avvin is the theme that we are going to overview in this video, and Avvin is a fitness, nutrition and supplement store WooCommerce theme, and it has been developed by the Theme Tech Mount, and they are elite author at the themeforest.net and of course at Envato Market, and you can avail the theme by following the video description link below. So on this channel you have 1000 plus themes, plugins and other WordPress resources to select with, so you can easily compare other themes. And I am happy to record this video that I have multiple themes in this category, on fitness and health products and even nutrition products. So whatever you want to create, it is going to be all sort of information on this channel, and you are going to get all the options of great WordPress theme here. So in this video we are targeting Avvin, and we will create a demo website like any of these. So we have 3 options as I shown you, and you can simply join the iCreate program. If you are new to WordPress platform, you can simply create your stunning website using the options, and you can join the iCreate program and start building your website with the help of mentor. So you have all 3 options. So, and you can also of course schedule a chat for discussion. Okay, let us proceed further. So this is Avvin fitness, nutrition and supplement store WooCommerce theme, and it came into existence in 2021, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done time to time. So let us proceed creating a website using this theme, and I have this press installation of WordPress that it is running the default WordPress theme, and I have installed this WordPress core using the Softaculous available at the cPanel. You need a stunning website of course, and for a stunning website you need a wonderful hosting plan, and then that you can avail through the WP Themes website. Just follow the video description link, go to the hosting and tab at WP Themes website and explore the hosting plan. So I was saying I installed the WordPress core using this WordPress manager by Softaculous. You can also do the same. So you are going to get this cPanel based hosting plan when you will order the hosting. Okay, so this is core installation of WordPress. I'll show you the theme pack. In the theme pack I have the main theme file and the child theme file here. So let us proceed for installation. To install the theme, we have to upload the theme, and we can go in the appearance tab, further click on themes, and here we can add new theme. By default 2023 WordPress theme is here, and we can simply add new theme here, upload new, choose file, and here what we need to choose, the Avvin.zip file. So it is showing 25 MB, and it is going to take time when we are uploading the theme using this WordPress front end, the WordPress dashboard. So what we can do, we can simply upload the file using the file manager, and it is going to be more easy for me at least, and you can also follow the same steps. So go to the domain, go to the WP content folder for the themes and upload the theme file here. So avvin.zip is to be uploaded, and it is showing now 24.32 MB. It is bit high, but yes, it is going to bring multiple WordPress features for you. I mean multiple features regarding your e-commerce website, and it is so on an average theme file remains 15 to 20 MB, and it is showing 24 MB. It is decent size. So once progress bar turns green with 100%, we can simply go back and extract the uploaded file. Upon extraction, we will get this folder called Avvin, and we have all the elements of theme in folders and files here, and we can further delete the zip file to save some hosting space, and it is very simple. Okay, so coming back to the themes screen, now we can check. We have Avvin as another theme option along with the default theme. Let us see. So Avvin version 1.4 is here as on date. This is being the latest version with me. You might be ordering the theme by following the video description link, and the updated version may be available, but the installation process will remain almost same. This is Avvin version 1.4 by theme techmont team, and now I am activating the theme. So once activated, we got this alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionality of this theme. Let us see what is here, and I can see there are multiple plugins here, and we need to install multiple plugins. So I'll quickly show you. This is for breadcrumbs, and breadcrumb nav.xt is here. CP post formats, CF post formats. I don't know what this is, but it is pre-packed available, and Code Star framework is being used as framework with this plugin, with this theme, sorry. So it is really good, and by default contact form 7 is here. Inbar to market, slider revolution for hero images, theme mount, Avvin demo content setup. It is for one-time use and importing the demo content, of course, and theme mount extra for Avvin theme sub. It is bringing some additional feature at our website. And the page builder is the WPBakery page builder, and enhanced text widget is here, and the WooCommerce is also here for the e-commerce website. Of course, we are going to create an e-commerce website, and 2 associates of WooCommerce are also here. So we need to install all these plugins, and mostly are required, and rest recommended plugin also here. And of course, so you are creating a e-commerce website, so you need even recommended plugins. So I'm choosing to install all 13 plugins in one go. If it works, so it is going to install all 13 plugins. I have selected all and selected install, and I clicked on apply. So it is going to install 13 plugins, as I believe. So let us see. Yes, within seconds all 13 plugins got installed within seconds, and yes, we can come back, and now we can activate the installed plugins here. So it is also can be done. It can be done in a single click. So all plugins has been activated successfully, and coming back to the dashboard, let us proceed for further. And we are here at the dashboard, and okay, so we can simply skip this. Okay, so we got multiple new tabs here, and I'll definitely show you all these tabs. I mean the new tabs what we got here. Let us first complete our website. Meanwhile, we have installed the theme and all set of plugins, and we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and all set of plugins. So this is loading, and this is the basic look of Avvin WordPress theme. I mean the website using Avvin WordPress theme, and as of now we don't have any content on this website on this installation. So we are targeting a website like any of these, and we have 3 options as pre-built website, and we can proceed further for importing the demo content, and I'll find the option where we can import the demo under appearance. It is not, and yes, it is not here as well. So I'll find the options under appearance. I can see, okay, so it is not here. So let us see under Avvin options. It might be available here. I'm looking for the demo content importer, and yes, so backup, restore, custom code under constructions. I'll show you all these options once we complete our installation. Okay, so I just took help from the available content in the theme pack, and it is showing where we can find the demo content importer, and I am here. So under Avvin options, there is an option layout settings at the very first tab, and here we can find demo content setup. And I'm really sorry for the background noises, that is not my control and it is really annoying, but yes, we can focus on our task. So a demo content setup option is here under layout settings, and we can simply check. Okay, so layout options are here. We can simply choose which layout we wish to have at our website. So as I shown in the beginning of this video, we have three choices. This is first, second and the third one. So you can choose any of these pre-made websites as you need and as you like. I'm choosing the very first one, considering it the default one. The layout one is available here, and it is showing some notice. Of course, it is going to overwrite all the contents, and this process may overwrite your existing content or settings, so please do this on fresh WordPress setup only. Also, if you already included the demo data, then it will add multiple menu, like you need to remove repeated menus, so it is going to, okay, so we will do it later. So we can simply proceed further by agreeing the tab, and I agree continue demo content setup option is here, so I have already clicked it, and now the screen is showing what is going for the importing the demo content. It is very clear message. So all categories were inserted successfully, inserting tags, all tags were inserted successfully, inserting terms. Okay, so it is going to take time. Of course, it is going to bring multiple content at our website, and we need to wait patiently here at this screen without hitting the back button, without hitting the refresh page. Meanwhile, just if in case if you want to check what is going, and we can open the media library in another tab, and if we are getting the images, we are fine. So these are the images, and it is all being imported, so we can patiently wait here, and it is working fine in the background. So just wait until you get any message on this screen. And now I got this wonderful message, then demo setup done successfully. Now you can start to edit your site. It took around 3 minutes for me, and it all depends on your server capacity, so how long it takes. But yes, this is very cool message for me. Okay, so I can check the media library. First of all, how many media contents we have received, and the media, okay, 79 images are here, and all images are great, and we can directly even use these images at our website. And this is the time when we can refresh this page to check our new website, how it looks with the demo content. And yes, so it is all here, and I believe we got all the contents here, and yes, so it is really wonderful. And this is why I used to choose only great WordPress theme for here to be on this channel, and it is really good. So I can show you very quickly. This is on one of the product page, and it is fine. It is really wonderful website now, and it is complete in all respects. I can see the speed is also very good, and I can show you some pages randomly. This is about us page, and I can show you the shop page. This is a special products page. Like, okay, so all categories are fine, and all segments are working fine, and the speed is really very lightning. So if you are having a speedy WordPress website, speedy e-commerce website, you are going to win the race, of course. So it is all up to you and how you can handle the website, and we have completed the setup in no time. However, we need to upload our own content, of course. And now I'll take you to the backend to show you what additional we got in this installation. First of all, the Avvin option I can see, and this is the theme option, and in the layout setting we have already used this demo content setup, and further you can change the skin colors, primary and secondary colors, the background properties, like you can change the properties and background preloader animation, one page website. So okay, so it is good. We can even have a one page single page website, just in case if you want to create a one page website. Font settings completely in your control. You can change the complete font of your website. Further, top bar settings, so top bar, or you can change the content of top bar from here. And advertisement bar, just in case if you want to place the advertisement at your website, it is available. Title bar, so I'm showing you very quickly what is available here. So header settings, so you have the header height and dark gray, and logo image you can change from here. So just keep in mind, logo is to be uploaded in the header section. It may be a very common question in the comment section of this video, so logo is to be updated from here. And further we have multiple settings, like header style we can change. We have 3 header styles, and we can change the menu area height and all such setting, like bottom bar, bottom content and all. So it is all available here. Further I can check the next tab. Menu setting is here. Large devices for larger footer setting, and footer call to action box, if we want to enable it, it is available. Footer background, button settings, WooCommerce, widget designed. WooCommerce settings is also here, so you can select the product box style. It is really good. So it is rarely available in the e-commerce website. It is nice that the product box style is also available here, so we can click on these settings to make our website more user friendly. Widget designed, login page setting. Okay, so login page is also customized here. And blog settings, portfolio settings, team member setting, how you want to show the team members at your website, error for not for pages, search page settings, sidebar settings, social links, under construction, and further advanced settings are also here. So you can change the URL or under title and all such things. So this is a great and of course a comprehensive and broad theme panel that is available with this theme. And I can show you next new thing what is here. So portfolio is separately available here. You have to maintain the portfolio at your website from this segment. Team member is here. It is not being used, but yes, it is available. Testimonials, okay, so it is really great, so it is available. Client logs, okay, client, okay, client logos, okay, that is fine. And next we can see nothing additional, so I can simply show you the slider evolution, where you have to edit the hero image area. Okay, so this is these 3 sliders are available, and you can simply edit the slider by clicking on this pencil icon. So I have already a video on this channel that shows you how you can edit the revolution slider. Just keep in mind, you have to use the same length of text and same dimension of images when you are changing all this, so it is good. Okay, so coming back to the dashboard, I'll show you how you can edit the content of your page. So this theme uses WPBakery as a page builder, and we can simply open the page that we want to edit and further hit on edit with WPBakery page builder. Your page will be ready to be edited, and you can of course change the text and immediate contents by using this option. So you can use either front-end editor or back-end editor, and just click on the pencil icon that you want to edit, and for you can change the text and all the contents wherever. So back-end editor is more convenient for me at least, and if you are going to use this back-end editor, it is going to be more simple for you. Okay, so there are many elements available with this theme. So all M marked is additional elements, and I believe so M marked elements are okay. So I'll show you. This is theme mode count special elements, and there are multiple special elements available at the page builder that you can use while you are editing the page. You can even add or remove sections using these elements. So I would recommend to use these special elements rather using the default page builder settings. So this is really made for this website only, I mean for this theme only. It is, just keep in mind, you can use it in a better way. Okay, so I believe I have shown you much of the things what is available with the Avvin WordPress theme, and you are going to create a wonderful website using this theme. Just in case if you need any support, we are available. Just click away, just write in the comment section, contact us through the WP Themes website, or join the iCreate program. So all is for you, and you are going to create a full-flagged website for the fitness and wellness or health products using this theme. So let us meet in our another video in which I'm going to bring wonderful WordPress resources for you. Thanks for watching. Keep building.